old gadgets still shine. Introduction. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about old but gold gadgets. Do you remember the good old days when gadgets were not only useful but also built to last? Let's take a trip down memory lane and revisit some of these gadgets that have stood the test of time. Camera. Polaroid SX70. First on our list is the Polaroid SX70 camera. It was introduced in 1972 and was a game changer in the world of instant photography. The SX70 was the first camera to use Polaroid's integral instant film, which eliminated the need for messy chemicals and allowed you to see your photo develop right before your eyes. Today, the SX70 is a collector's item and has become popular among instant photography enthusiasts. Music player. Sony Walkman. Next up is the Sony Walkman. It was first introduced in 1979 and revolutionized the way we listen to music. The Walkman was the first portable music player that allowed you to take your music with you wherever you went. It was so popular that it became synonymous with the term personal stereo. Even though cassettes are now obsolete, the Sony Walkman will always be remembered as a classic. Game console. Nintendo Entertainment System, NES. The Nintendo Entertainment System, or NES for short, was released in 1985 and became a phenomenon. It was the first home console that brought arcade-quality graphics and gameplay into your living room. The NES was responsible for introducing us to iconic games like Super Mario Bros., The Legend of Zelda, and Metroid. Today, retro gaming is more popular than ever, and the NES continues to be a beloved console among gamers of all ages. Mobile phone. Nokia 3310. Who can forget the Nokia 3310? It was first released in 2000 and became one of the most popular mobile phones of all time. The Nokia 3310 was known for its durability, long battery life, and the game Snake. It was the phone that everyone had and could withstand even the toughest of drops. Although it may not have the latest technology, the Nokia 3310 still holds a special place in our hearts. Calculator. Texas Instruments TI-83 Plus. Last but not least, we have the Texas Instruments TI-83 Plus calculator. It was released in 1999 and quickly became a staple in every high school and college math class. The TI-83 Plus was known for its powerful graphing capabilities and was able to handle complex mathematical functions with ease. Today, it's still a popular choice among students and professionals in the field of mathematics and science. Conclusion. That's it for today's video on old but gold gadgets. These gadgets may be outdated, but they will always hold a special place in our hearts. Let us know in the comments which old gadget is your favorite, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.